Right guys, have you always wanted to join the big crypto signal groups or even Forex groups, but obviously there's so much money to join every single one. Now, this company and this Telegram service have basically merged them all together, and you can get this on a lifetime plan or even a 1-day free trial. Now, don't just stand there and believe me, watch this video. I'm going to show you exactly what this company is and also give you a quick insight into one of their top groups. Now, before I do, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, now this is signalpeak.io. As you can see here, it's your crypto guide to trading success. If we go down, you can see that you get exclusive crypto signals from some of the biggest names in the industry. Today, we're going to be looking at Alex Friedman. I'm going to go through the channel that he has and show you exactly how to do it. Now, it is nice and simple. You can choose your plan. You get that 1-day free trial, or lifetime is only $350. Now, what do you get in that? You get premium features such as over 100 plus Telegram channels, future spot alt signals, that's long and short, intraday scalp standard and swing trades, mega signals, that's 200 every 1 to 2 months, 100% historic accuracy. Now, precise technical, fundamental and sentimental analysis, risk management guides, exact entry and exit levels and updates, and then all of these on the right hand side as well. How does it work? You simply subscribe, receive the signals, and then execute the trades. They have an average monthly signal of 1,000 plus. Signal success rate is 92%, and they have over 200 VIP members at the moment. Okay, so this is obviously one of the guys that is in the group who is using it to, as he says here, since I joined their Telegram channel, I've 10x my investment through their crypto trading signals. Right, now, once you've done that, you want to click on their Telegram icon. Once you click on the Telegram, it will send you over to this group. That's the Signal Peak bot. Okay, so this is the top VIP groups. All of that information that I said on there, and it gives you the 1-day free trial, monthly plan or lifetime plan. Nice and simple. You click on it, whichever one you want to choose, and then obviously because I've already purchased the lifetime bundle, it gives me all of the different ones. Now, we are going to be giving the Alex Friedman channel, which is up here, one of my top ones that I always use, and you can see this is exactly how his signals are placed. Okay, so Alex Friedman, BOME/USDT exchange, he's doing a short cross 12.5x. Here's your entry targets and then your TPs to go with it. Now, personally, I always normally go for the middle one, either 3 or 4 as my TP. It gives quite decent profit, and then you aren't holding it, because I personally can't hold a trade too long. Just is not in my mindset. Right, now we can see here that take profit number 2 was successfully hit. So that's a profit target of 12.8%. This one was 4.8%. That was just the TP1 of that one. As we go up, we can see multiple others. Ace has hit number 2 as well. This was number take profit 1 of that Ace one above. Like, there are so many in here that hit this target 1, target 1, target 1, target 1, 21%, 30%, 15%, 16%. There we have it, guys. It speaks for itself. You'd had a look into Alex Friedman. You've also seen the amount of groups that you can actually get with this plan. Now, once you are interested, click on that link down below. Head on over to signalpeak.io, where you can make all of the due diligence you need to and also purchase your access. But don't forget, you get that 1-day free trial as well, where you can have access to every single group and get exactly what you're getting with this. Now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.